Hello everyone, let us solve the model question paper for Class 5 Mathematics English Medium. Before we start solving the question paper, let us understand what is in the first page. In the first page, we have to write the name of the student. So in the given blank, write your name. And then comes student SATS number. So we need to write the SATS number here. And finally, signature of the student. These 3 points the student will be filling. Rest of the information either the room invigilator or the evaluator will be filling. So this is about the first page of the question paper. This is the question paper come answer sheet. So let us start solving the question paper. The first main is choose the correct answer from the 4 options given for questions 1 to 12 and write the answers with the alphabet in the space provided. So there are 12 questions for 12 marks, each carrying 1 mark. The first question, the product obtained on multiplying any number and 0 is either it's 1, number itself, 10 or 0. We know that multiplying any number with 0. So what is the answer? Let's take an example. 1 zeros are 0, 26 zeros are 0, 100 zeros are 0. So no matter any number, if we multiply with 0, the product is always 0. So the correct option is D and the answer is 0. The second question, the figure that represents 4 into 2 among the following is. Let us check the options one by one. The first option, there are 4 stars plus 2 stars. So can we write 4 plus 2? Yes. The second option, 2 stars multiplied with 2 stars, 2 into 2. The third option, 4 stars plus 4 stars, 4 plus 4. And the last option, 4 stars multiplied with 4 stars, 4 into 4. Now we have to check what is the correct form of 4 into 2. So what do you mean by 4 into 2? 4 is multiplied with 2 or 4 is added twice, right? So multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. 4 plus 4 can be written as 4 into 2. So that's the right option. So the correct option is C. 4 plus 4 equals to 4 into 2. Let's check the third question. Division is nothing but repeated. Option A, addition. Option B, subtraction. Option C, multiplication. Or option D, estimation. Just now we said multiplication is repeated addition, right? Likewise, division is what? Either is subtraction, multiplication or estimation. So the correct option is B, subtraction. Let us understand. 9 divided by 3 equals to what? Let us keep subtracting 3 from 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Again 6 minus 3 is 3. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. So we subtracted 3 times to get the remainder as 0. So division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Correct option is B and the answer is subtraction. Next question. By rounding off 35,756 to the nearest thousand place, we get. So whenever we have to round off the thousands place, we have to check the hundreds place. If the hundreds place is more than 5, we need to give a carry over to the thousands place and make the hundreds place, tens place and the ones place as 0. So it is 36 followed by 3 zeros, which is 36 thousands. The correct option is A and the answer is 36 thousands. The next question, the part of decimal fraction represented by MT on the line segment MN is dash. So from M and T there are 4 points between 0 and 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. Also there are total of 10 points, 10 spaces provided between the line segment M and N. So MT is 4 parts out of the 10 parts. So the answer is 0.4. Correct option is B. Answer is 0.4. Next question. The place value of 3 in 0.43 is, so let us write 0.43. 4 is in the place of tens, 3 in the place of hundreds, and 0 is in the place of 1. So we need to find the place value of 3, which is 3 hundredths. Correct option is A, and the answer is 3 hundredths. Let us move to the next question now. In the 7th question, 17.15 rupees can be expressed in paise, as there are 4 options. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 17.15 multiplied with 100, which is equal to, so whenever we have the decimal point and there are 2 zeros is 100, we have to move the decimal point 2 places ahead to the right hand side. So here move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So the correct option is option C, 1715 paise. The next question is, in this month there will be increase in a day for leap year. For example, 2024 is a leap year. There are 29 days in February. So last year it was 2023, not a leap year. There were only 28 days in February. So the correct option is D, February, where there will be increase in a day for leap year. Moving to the next question we have, when we rotate a rectangle in a definite axis, the solid observed is. Let's watch a small video. Here the rectangle is rotating to form, so it wasn't cone, sphere or cuboid, correct? So we saw a cylinder. The correct option is C, cylinder. So when a rectangle is rotating at a particular axis, the solid formed is cylinder. The next question, a solid object when viewed from side, it seems to be a rectangle and its top view is circle, then the solid is. So from the given options, the option is B, cylinder, where the side view is of rectangle and the top view is circle. Let's move to the next question. If the same pattern is continued, the number of the figure that will be same as first figure is. Let us observe the given symbols in box 1 and box 2. However, in box 3 there is no division sign, so here it is not into sign. Instead of that, it should be division symbol. So further, let us check what comes in the next few boxes and check where exactly will the pattern repeat as the first figure. So continuing the pattern, we get plus here, minus on top, into, and the division sign. We have plus here, minus, into and division symbol. So this is exactly as the first pattern. So it is the fifth pattern. So it is the clockwise rotation. The correct option is A, fifth pattern. The next question, the geometrical figure with only two axes of symmetry among the following is. For that, let us draw the symmetrical lines. For the square, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this triangle, 1. For the circle, there are infinite axes of symmetry. And lastly, for the rectangle, we have 1, 2. So the correct option is D. A rectangle has two axes of symmetry. We completed multiple choice questions. So the next main is answer the following question. There are 10 questions for 20 marks. The 13th question is find the product of 2439 into 37. 7 9s are 63, 3 and 6 carry over, 7 3s are 21, plus 6 is 27, 7 and 2 carry over. Strike it off the carryovers which you have already taken. So 7 4s are 28 plus 2 is 30, 0 3 carry over, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 is 17. Moving to the next, the tens place. Before that, either you can put 0 or into sign. Now let us multiply with the tens digit, which is 3. 3 9s are 27, 7 and 2 carry over. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 1 carry over. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 3 1 carry over. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. Now add the partial products. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 7 is 14, 4 1 carry over. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. 7 plus 3 is 10, 0 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9. So the product of 2439 and 37 is 90,243. The next question, find the quotient and remainder when 1653 is divided by 8. So let us write 1653, enough space between the digit so that it is aligned properly, divided by 8. So starting with the first digit, 8 times 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, bringing down 6, we get 16 together, 8 2s are 16, 6 minus 6 is 0, 1 minus 1 is also 0, bring down 5, again 8 times 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, bring down 3, next we have 8 times 6, 48, 3 minus 8, we have to take the carry, borrow from 5, 13 minus 8 is 5, 4 minus 4 is 0, therefore 206 is quotient and 5 is the remainder. For your reference, there is the multiplication table of 8, starting with 8 times 0 is 0. Let's move to the 15th question. Write 56 by 100 in decimal fraction form and express it in words. So 56 by 100 is equal to, so first initially write 56 and then the decimal point which is after 6 comes before 6 and before 5 by cancelling the two zeros. So we get 0.56. In words, 0.56 can be written as 0 and 56 hundredths. In other words, 0.56. The next question, subtract 348.25 rupees from 500. Since 500 is bigger, write that first, followed by 348.25. These are unlike decimals. To convert unlike decimals into like decimals, we will have to put the zeros. Now, we cannot subtract 0 minus 5. So, borrowing right from 5, 10 becomes 9, again 10 becomes 9, again 10 becomes 9, then 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, point as it is, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is 151.75 rupees. Moving further, the 17th question, Ananta buys 2 quarter kg of bananas. Express the quantity of bananas in grams. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 2 kg equals to 2000 grams. Then we have quarter kg, that is 1 by 4 kg, which is equal to 1000 by 4. So we are dividing the 1000 grams by 4 parts. We get 200 grams. Now adding the 2000 plus 250 grams, we get 2 quarter kg is equal to 2500 grams. For quick calculation, please remember quarter kg is 250 grams, half kg is 500 grams, 3/4 kg is 750 grams. Moving further, a vessel is filled by pouring water into it from a tumbler in 8 times. If the vessel is filled with 5 liters 600 milliliter of water, find the capacity of water in the tumbler. Tumbler is a glass. So suppose this is the vessel which is filled with 5 liters and 600 milliliters of water by using this tumbler 8 times. So 5 liters 600 milliliters. Since we cannot divide 5 liters in equal 5 times of the tumbler, we have to convert the 5 liters 600 milliliters as milliliters, which is equal to 5600 milliliters. Now 5600 divided by 8, again 8 times 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, bring down 6, 8 times 7 is 56. Now 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 5 is also 0, bring down the next 0. Eight zeros are 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, bringing down the last 0. Again we have 8 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So we got each tumbler has the capacity of 700 milliliter of water. The next question, add 3 hours 15 minutes 30 seconds to 2 hour 15 minutes 50 seconds. So let's add 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 5 is 8, so that is 80 seconds. Minutes, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 65 minutes. Hours, 3 plus 2 is 5. 80 seconds can be written as 60 seconds plus 20 seconds. We know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So 80 seconds can be written as 1 minute 20 seconds. So this 1 minute will give the carry over for the minutes. And adding that 1 minute, we get 66 minutes. Now again 66 minutes can be written as 60 minutes plus 6 minutes. We know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So it becomes 1 hour and 6 minutes. This 1 hour will give the carry over for the hours. Now we have to add 5 plus 1 hour, which is equal to 6 hours. So the total is 6 hours, 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Solving this type of questions on regular basis will give you confidence and also understand the concept well. Now let us move to the next question, the 20th question. Draw the axis of symmetry for the following English alphabets. So X has both horizontal as well as vertical line of symmetry. The alphabet A has only the vertical line of symmetry. M also has the vertical line of symmetry. However, the alphabet S doesn't have any line of symmetry. There is no axis of symmetry. Moving further to the next question, draw the figure of the solid that can be formed using the given networks. So by looking at it, we know the first network is of cone and the second is for the cube. The next question, fill in the missing odd number in the square and write the square number followed by then in the circle. In the first figure, the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In the second, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And after 9, the square number is 16. So, square number followed by then in square, that means after 9, the square number is 16. Moving further to the next main, answer the following questions. 2 questions for 8 marks, each carrying 4 marks. 40 students of a class are put in a group of 4 for an activity. Each group needs 3-meter long rope to conduct activity. What is the total length of rope needed for the whole class? So let us write number of students in the class equals to 40. Then students in each group equals to 4. We need to find how many groups are there. So number of groups is equal to 40 divided by 4, which is 10. So there are 10 groups. Length of rope needed by each group equals to 3 meter. Therefore, the total length of rope needed by 10 groups equals to 3 into 10, 30 meter. The next question, a train can cover 225 km in 1 hour. Estimate the distance covered in a day to the highest place. We know that in a day there are 24 hours. So distance covered by the train in 1 hour is equal to 225 kilometers. Let's find what will be the distance covered by the train in 24 hours. So we need to multiply distance covered by the train in 24 hours, that is 1 day, is equal to 225 multiplied with 24. So total distance is 5,400 kilometers. However, we have to estimate the distance to the highest place, correct? So let us estimate. Let's write the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So here the highest place is 1000, so we have to check the place in hundreds place. 4 is less than 5, therefore the estimation is 5000. Therefore, the estimated distance covered by the train in a day is 5000 kilometers. This completes our question paper. Thanks for watching.